Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The upcoming 2025 Range Rover Royal Class campervan is an ambitious attempt to combine the spacious comfort and independence of a high-end campervan with the renowned luxury and off-road heritage of the Range Rover brand. This innovative vehicle aims to satisfy a select customer looking for unmatched mobile living by seamlessly fusing sturdy capacity with custom craftsmanship. The exterior would probably still have the Range Rover's recognizable outline, but it would be modified and added to make room for the larger volume required for a motorhome setup. Anticipate the well-known floating roofline, the commanding front fascia, and the finely constructed body panels, possibly painted in upscale, deep metallic colors appropriate for its Royal Class classification. Carefully planned access points and flush-mounted, tinted windows that provide privacy to the living area are examples of subtle yet intentional changes that would blend in perfectly. Its luxury quality would be further highlighted by the incorporation of cutting-edge lighting systems for both illumination and aesthetic enhancement. The 2025 Range Rover Royal Class Motorhome's sturdy chassis, which was probably improved to accommodate the additional weight and size, would support its elegant design. Range Rover's renowned all-wheel drive system and sophisticated air suspension would be recalibrated to provide outstanding on-road performance and formidable off-road capability, enabling passengers to travel to remote and picturesque locations without sacrificing comfort. A high-performance engine, perhaps a hybridized version, would probably be part of the powertrain, providing enough power and torque to move the car along with ease. The Royal Class designation would be distinguished by the inside. Imagine a finely furnished living area with custom metal accents, exotic veneers, and soft leathers constructed from the best materials. A fully furnished gourmet kitchenette with top-notch equipment, an opulent en-suite bathroom with high-end fixtures, and a cozy sleeping area with fine linen are just a few of the elements that may be included in the carefully planned arrangement, which would optimize both space and utility. A cutting-edge entertainment system, complex climate management, and a wide range of networking options would all be smoothly integrated with advanced technology. Additionally, the Royal Class element implies the addition of custom amenities made for the pickiest tourists. This could include features like integrated security systems, a hidden entertainment center, and well-planned storage options. The goal would be to create a haven of convenience and comfort where residents may travel the world without compromising the comforts of a luxury home. The 2025 Range Rover Royal Class Motorhome essentially seeks to reinvent the idea of opulent mobile life. It seeks to combine the spacious comfort and independence of a high-end motorhome with the distinctive style and power of a Range Rover, constructing a car that is equally skilled at navigating difficult terrain and at offering an incredibly luxurious and cozy atmosphere for long trips.